Today, the oil and gas industry has the opportunity to redefine its boundaries through digital transformation. According to the World Economic Forum, predictive maintenance and operations optimization combined as digital asset lifecycle management can lead to an impact of $430 billion for industry plus $100 billion for society in the next 10 years. PhDsoft has been doing digital transformation for over 20 years and is the world's first provider of smart digital twin for asset lifecycle management. We know the pitfalls to avoid and the best ways to shorten the implementation time. Our technology allows a smooth digital transformation with inspections and operational data coming progressively from sensors and robots. The manual process is optimized by automation of inspection and engineering activities and kept in parallel as backup to make transformation comfortable and safer. Digital transformation means that asset data flows to a smart digital twin where they provide crystal clear awareness of the aging process and associated risks. Imagine everyone internally and externally, anywhere in the globe, having immediate access to updated asset data and exchanging information digitally. It reduces time and errors. Why is our digital twin smart? Because it is much more than an ordinary 3D repository of information. It has engineering intelligence to automate activities as repair outlining, reporting and rust grade recognition. It is also smart because it can predict the future corrosion, coating degradation, and evaluate regulatory compliance. It is alive and mimics the aging process. It is smart because it is the synergistic integration of the state-of-the-art technologies such as analytics, artificial intelligence, IoT, big data, cloud computing, and digital twin. It also grows and becomes even smarter with time, learning with customers and partners. Every new skill is also shared with all customers. Join this community of customers and partners to make our digital twin even smarter and receive the benefits of the global intelligence.